They're tiny, they're adorable, and somehow, they've got hotter takes than most grown men on Reddit. Yes, I'm talking about baby podcasts. You've seen them. You've probably laughed at one, maybe even shared it in the group chat with a, "What is this? Ha ha ha" reaction. But here's the thing. These clips aren't just internet noise. They're racking up millions of views. They're getting saved, shared, stitched, and reposted across every platform, from TikTok to YouTube Shorts. So what's going on here? Well, imagine a chubby-cheeked toddler casually debating climate change, stock market bubbles, or the difference between espresso and drip coffee, and doing it with the deadpan confidence of a TED Talk speaker. It's weird, it's delightful, and it's straight-up viral fuel. But here's the twist no one tells you. Those babies aren't real. At least not in the way you think. They're AI-generated avatars, created using a combo of clever scripts, synthesized voices, and smart editing tools that breathe life into still images. It's part tech magic, part meme strategy, and the best part? Anyone can do it. You don't need a studio. You don't need a $5,000 rig. You don't even need a real baby. You just need 10 minutes, a few smart tools, and a sprinkle of creativity. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your own baby podcast video, step by step, from start to finish. Let's not waste time. Let's start with the very first step, and it's a step that a lot of people love to skip, but absolutely shouldn't. Inspiration. Before you jump into creating anything, you need to spend a few minutes understanding what's already working out there. Not in theory, but in the messy, addictive wilds of the algorithm. Open up TikTok, type in "baby podcast," and just let your thumb do its thing. Scroll through the chaos for about 30 seconds, and you'll quickly notice what sets these videos apart. They're short, they're fast-paced, and they're oddly clever for something that looks like it belongs in a Pampers commercial. You'll find baby avatars confidently debating coffee, capitalism, or the importance of morning routines like they've got a tiny microphone and a Wall Street Journal subscription. It's strange. It's funny. It works. Now find the ones that have absolutely exploded. Videos with views in the millions, and save them to your device. Use something like Snaptic to do that. These videos aren't just entertainment, they're case studies. You're not copying word for word, you're learning the formula. Pay attention to how they're structured. Watch the pacing, notice the way the baby's mouth moves, how natural it feels. Look at their expressions, the rhythm of their banter, the tone of the voices. None of it is random, it's all intentional. And now you're going to recreate that same kind of magic, from scratch. Once you've got a few reference videos saved, it's time to pull out the real meat, the dialogue. This is where we get into script extraction. Because as much as you love manually typing out what baby Elon is saying about nitro cold brew, we're going to save you the trouble. That's where the Chat LLM team by Abacus AI comes in. After logging in, you'll see a beautiful buffet of AI models laid out like a digital charcuterie board. GPT, Claude, Mistral, all the big players. But you don't need to think too hard here. Just select Route LLM and let it figure out which model is best for the job. Now, click the little attachment icon, upload one of your saved videos, and in the chat box, type out a simple request. Can you create the transcription of this video? Hit send, sit back, sip your coffee, and in just a few seconds, boom, you've got a clean transcript ready to use. It's like magic, but less wand-waving and more AI doing its thing. Now that you've got the script, it's time to give those words a voice. Literally. This is where it gets fun. Copy the script and paste it into a fresh doc just so you can tweak it if needed. Maybe polish a joke, rephrase something awkward, or adjust the pacing to better match the tone you're going for. Then jump back into Chat LLM and open up the text-to-speech tool. You'll see 3 voice generation options: OpenAI, Hume AI, and the one we're going with, 11 Labs. Why 11 Labs? Because the voices are scarily good. Like, is this a real person, or did the computer just become sentient? Good. Once you're in, browse through the voices until you find one that hits the right vibe. There are voices that sound like smooth radio hosts, confident CEOs, even a few that sound suspiciously like people you've heard on podcasts before. For this one, we're going with the Elon Musk voice clone. There's something about hearing a baby calmly explain economics in that monotone tech genius cadence that's just hilarious. Paste your script, click generate, and within seconds, you've got your first voiceover ready to go. Download it. Listen to it once or twice. Smile like a proud parent. Then repeat the process for your second host. Maybe go with a Lex Friedman type. Slow, thoughtful. A good contrast to baby Elon's hyper-focus. And just like that, you're sitting on 2 professional quality AI voiceovers and wondering how something so absurd is also so good. Now you've got voices. But voices need faces. And those faces need to be babies. It's time to make things visual. Grab a screenshot of each speaker from your reference videos. Try to pick clear, front-facing shots. These will be the base images we're going to turn into baby versions. Go back into Chat LLM. Open the image editor, upload the screenshot, and type something magical like, "Turn this character into a 2-year-old baby." Hit generate and give it a second to cook. When it's done, you'll be staring into the face of a baby Elon Musk, and it'll look so realistic, you'll wonder if AI just invented a new form of reincarnation. He's got the cheeks. He's got the stare. He still kind of looks like he's plotting world domination, but now it's in the form of stacking Legos. Download it. Then repeat the process for the second speaker. When both avatars are ready, sit back and take a moment to appreciate how weird and beautiful this project has become. All right, now for the part that blows people's minds, animation. We're going to make those baby faces talk. Inside Chat LLM, find the lip sync tool. It's under the More section. Open it up. First, upload your voiceover audio, the one you just created using 11 Labs. Then, in the voice instructions box, type something casual like soft and funny tone, just to help the AI understand the vibe. Next, upload the baby image that matches the audio. Make sure you've got baby Elon with Elon's voice, and not the other way around, unless you're trying to create nightmare fuel. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 so it looks good on TikTok and YouTube. Then click generate and give it a minute. What comes out the other side will surprise you. The baby avatar's lips move in sync, the eyes blink, the head bobs slightly. It doesn't just look like it's talking, it looks like it's thinking about what it's saying. It's bizarrely good. Repeat the same process for your second baby speaker. And now you've got 2 AI-generated toddlers holding an actual conversation about, say, nitrogen levels in cold brew. What a time to be alive. Now that both video clips are done, we're heading into the final stage, editing. This is where it all comes together. Fire up your favorite video editor. CapCut is great if you want to keep it simple, but if you prefer something more advanced like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere, go for it. Import both baby video clips. Drop in the audio tracks. Sync everything up so the mouth movements line up with the dialogue. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should feel tight. No weird pauses or lags. Once you've got the basic timing locked in, you can start adding the secret sauce. Throw in some subtitles using bold fonts that grab attention. Maybe choose a pastel color to match the baby theme. Add little emoji reactions or keyword pop-ups to highlight the funny bits. If it feels a little too quiet, add a soft lo-fi beat in the background, just to keep the energy flowing. From there, you can get creative with transitions. Add a zoom effect when the punchline hits. Shake the screen slightly when a joke lands. Keep the pacing snappy. These little touches make a huge difference. When it all feels right, export the final video in high definition. Congratulations. You just created a professional-looking AI-powered baby podcast video that could genuinely go viral. And now, it's ready to upload. You did it. What started as a weird idea is now a full-blown AI baby podcast clip, polished and ready to go viral. Your 2-year-old podcasters just casually discussed caffeine, nitrogen, and the science of breathing. And somehow, it's entertaining. So now what? Well, now you post. Create a TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels account. Pick a niche name like Tiny Takes, Lil Lex and Elon, or Billion Dollar Babies. Post your clip. Add some smart hashtags. Watch what happens. Some clips flop, some catch fire. But the beauty is, this process is fast and repeatable. You can crank out one every day. You're not reliant on filming or actors or gear, just prompts, tools, and creativity. And here's the crazy part. The channel this method came from, it's only 3 months old. and already made over $60,000 from baby podcasts. So yeah, one AI baby at a time. And hey, if this helped you even a little, do your thing. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Because next time, we might make an AI toddler rap battle. You've been warned. Until then, happy creating.